Hi everyone, today's my unboxing video of the Hobonichi Techo. This is my box that I ordered directly from their shop, so I'll put that link below. My last order where I got the 2 weeks was from Jet Pens. And as I had mentioned in that video, I forgot that if you order from other sellers, many times you don't get the free pen that comes with it. But there's more than one reason why I ordered directly from them. One is I want to try the actual Hobonichi Techo itself again, but then also they had a special edition of the Hobonichi Weeks that I wanted to make sure to get because there's something special that I'm going to be offering this year on my shop, and I'll have a sneak peek of those at the end of this video. But first, let's get into the unboxing of the 20th anniversary of the Hobonichi Techo. Okay, so I'll first start with the books. I'm going to be using the Hobonichi Techo original in the 2, so it's the Avec books, and this is the original size, not the cousin size. So all of the planners come with this particular drawing and illustration this year. You'll see it's also included with my Hobonichi Weeks. Super cute. And this is the journal that I intend to cut out these little clips and put them in here this year. So this year, I want to give this one a try as a journal. I got the 2 separate books, or the Avec. That way, it won't bulk up too much because I do plan to put stickers and other type of ephemera inside of this. And so I can see the need for me to have needing some extra space for that. That's why I went ahead with the 2 books. So this is the Japanese version, and it has the months. I have a plan for those, and then these are the daily pages. Now, I may not necessarily do it daily, but I will cover each page, and little by little, I'm hoping to have this full journal by the end of the year. And this idea is just really something I've been wanting to do for a long time, of just having somewhere to write just my miscellaneous things in life that either I found out and I think is interesting, either about my family heritage or family history, or just what's going on in daily life, like the current pictures of the current phone I'm using, or just different day-to-day things, not necessarily personal, family, or my kids or anything like that, but just my daughter has a notebook she calls her random research notebook, kind of along that line of just having a journal of things that I just happen to find interesting day to day. So that's the purpose of this, and then this is the cover that I got to go with it. So this is the first time I have ever bought a cover from Hobonichi. I've always just had the weeks like this one here, and then I just buy a clear Kavan cover for it, and that's what I've used for many years. But this is the first time I actually bought a Hobonichi cover. So this one is the, it's black, and then the inside has the blue. I really loved the A5 this year. They had the dolphin, which was navy on the outside and this light blue on the inside. But the cousin, that size just intimidates me, at least for the purpose of what I'm using this journal for. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to use that much space because I've had this size before, And this size was daunting for me the first time I tried it. So I didn't want to go too big. So this is set up for the January through the June. And then the little bookmarkers, I can put one in my daily and one in my monthly. So this is really pretty. It's not only completely clear, but it also has gold metallic in certain spots. So the contrast of this white print and gold against the black is really pretty, and I love the vintage print of the mushrooms on it as well. I did buy the matching pencil board since it's this light blue. I thought it matched the interior very well, and it's my shitajiki or pencil board to protect my other pages when I'm using watercolor or other things like that. Now with the Avec comes this free pen, and it has almost like a nude rubber grip on the bottom. This is a Uniball tricolor, so there's red, black, and blue. And this is one of my favorite pens that they've released. And they also have the Misunderstood Bear paperweight. This is the cover-on-cover for my weeks. This is the weeks I have been eyeing. I love these botanicals. And these are some botanical sketches from a Japanese botanist. This is from his, I think it was like a 1901 or 1902 book. His name is Tomitaro Makino, and his prints are just amazing. So a lot of those are going to be included inside of my weeks this year. So here I'm just putting on my clear cover-on-cover because this linen cover can get very dirty since it's such a light color, so I wanted to make sure that I did buy the clear protective covering. This pocket comes with the weeks. It's already included with it, and so I just put it on top of there. And here is the artist himself, and what I've done this year is I've taken some of his sketches and I've cleaned them up, made them into black and white files, printed them, and foiled them in copper. So I have 6 of these available. They will be posted to my online shop here pretty soon. And these are what I'm going to be using on the inside of my planner. These can be purchased on clear sticker paper with black toner so that you can add whatever color you want with your Mink machine if you have one, or I will have it available on my shop in multiple colors of foiling. I can do them in copper or gold, turquoise, fuchsia. I'll have several colors listed. So what makes these really nice is that since it's clear, the image really stands out against that grid. And here's an example of one of the black ones if you wanted to foil it yourself with your choice of color. Those will be a little less expensive since I won't be doing the foiling process for you. So I hope you really enjoy this week's just as much as I do. His sketches are just incredible. They sell a few of his prints in large form on the Hobonichi website, so I'll post those below. And then these are just a few examples of the prints that I'll be offering this year in my store, along with other vintage artists and vintage prints. These I foiled in copper, and those are also included in my planner. You can see how well they disguise on there. So if you're interested in these, check out my website listed above. And if you love your Hobonichi weeks, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.